Hi friends, my name is Abbas Tukiwala. Here is my next video. React Native is used to develop the hybrid applications, iOS as well as Android applications. Here we explain the React Native development environment setup using the Expo CLI. There are the three software: Node.js, Expo CLI and Visual Studio Codes. First install the Node.js. Open any browser. Here we use the Mozilla Firefox, and open any search engines like Google. Here we open the Google website. In the search bar, search the Node.js download. Open the first link. It is the official website of Node.js. Here download Node.js Windows installer 32-bit or 64-bit. If your Windows is 64-bit, then download the 64-bit. Otherwise download the 32 bits. Here we download the 64 bits Windows installer, and this file is saved. Here we already download it, so we cannot download it again. We already download. After download it, open the download files and install it. Installation step is easy. Click the next button to install. Here we already download it. So after download the Node.js in your PC, you can check it is successfully downloaded or not. For that, check the version of the Node.js. So open run window. So press window key plus R button to open the run window and write the cmd command. In the cmd, write the node -v command to see the version of the Node.js. It shows the version numbers of your Node.js. Now Node.js is successfully installed in your computer. Then next step, to install the Expo CLI using the command prompt. CLI means command line interface. Then again press window key and R button and write the cmd in the run window. In the command prompt, write the following commands: npm install -z expo-cli. This command is used to install Expo CLI in your PC. It takes some times. Not that internet connection is there, so check your internet connection. It takes some time. After install it, set up the path of Expo CLI in the environment variable. For that, open your computer and right click on open your computer and go to the C drive users, and your username is Abbas. If your username is changed, then select this folder. Here show the hidden file and folders. Go to the app data and go to the roamings. Here one folder is there, npm folder is there. Copy that path from URL. Now again open your computer, right click on this PC and go to the properties. In the property, click on advanced settings. In the advanced settings, click on the environment variable buttons. Select the path variable in the system variable and click on edit button. At the last, write the semicolon and paste the code. Paste the path of your npm folder. And OK. Click OK again. And click OK again. Now your path is set. To check the version of the Expo CLI, press window key R button and write the command in the cmd expo ---- version. It takes some time. After that it gives the version number of your Expo CLI. So Expo CLI is installed in your PC successfully. Okay. Now third step is install the Visual Studio Code. For that, open the browser and search the Visual Studio Code download in the Google. Click on the first link and download the Visual Studio Code 64-bit or 32-bit as per your PC configurations. Here I just saw the steps. I already download the Visual Studio Code and install in my PC. So you can download the files and install it. After installation, now create the new project using the Expo CLI in the command prompt. For that, press window key or R button to open the run window and write the cmd in the run window and click OK. Now in the command prompt, write the following command to create the new project: expo init, and write the project name. Here project name is given by me test2. This command takes the sometimes. This will create the test2 projects in your C drive, user and Abbas folder, and it create the test2 project in your user folders. So it requires the sometimes. Please note that internet connection is available is there. Here is a successfully created the project. My project file is created. I show you the project files. C drive, users, Abbas. Here is a test2 folder is created. In this folder all the projects files are created is there. Now open Visual Studio Codes. Go to file menu and open the folders. Select the open folder menu and select your project which is created earlier. C drive, users, Abbas, and your project folder is test2. Then select test2 folder. So all the files are there. Open the app.js file. Here is the first file which is to be run. Open the terminals. If terminal is already open, then if terminal is not open, then go to terminal and new terminal. Select the new terminal. Now write the following code to run the project. npm start. It takes the some times. So just wait. Here expo is started. It give the QR code which is used to run the code in your mobile device. See, it is a QR code. So in your mobile device, scan this QR code using the Expo Go applications. So first you download the Expo Go application in your mobile device. This is the icon of the Expo Go applications. Then open these Expo Go applications in your mobile. Here the scan the QR code is option is there. Click on and scan this QR code. So your application, so your project is installed in your mobile device. It takes the some time. This is a message of your projects that is shown in your mobile device. Now we change the message in the text command. Welcome to Knowledge for You by Abbas Tukiwala. And save this file using the shortcut key Ctrl S. So after refreshing in your mobile device, message will be changed. Here we give the some CSS style to display the message, such as font size 30, color blue, and text weight, font weight bold. So this style is applied to this message. After saving this file, pressing the Ctrl S. Press the Ctrl S. So after refreshing, the message will be there. Now we align the text as a center. So text will be aligned by the center. So this is a simple code. Easy step to install your applications in React Native. Thank you guys. आप हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, लाइक करें. Thank you all of you for watching it.